Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money on WeChat in 2025. WeChat has evolved into a powerhouse for seamless digital payments, making it easier than ever to send money to friends, family, or even businesses. Whether you're in China or using it globally, this guide will have you transferring funds like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest WeChat app installed on your smartphone. 2025 updates include enhanced security features like biometric verification and AI-powered fraud detection. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the WeChat app and log in with your account. If you're new, you'll need to verify your identity for added security. Once you're in, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner. Step 2. Scroll down and select Wallet. This is your gateway to all payment features. If you haven't set up your wallet yet, follow the prompts to link your bank account or add a credit card. Remember, in 2025, WeChat supports instant blockchain-based transfers for faster processing. Step 3. Inside the wallet, look for the Transfer or Send Money option. It's usually prominently displayed. Step 4. Enter the recipient's WeChat ID, phone number, or scan their QR code. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Input the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed, like lunch money or gift. Keep an eye on any transfer limits. WeChat might cap daily amounts based on your account verification level. Step 6. Review the details, then hit Confirm. You'll be prompted for authentication, such as a fingerprint or facial scan, to ensure it's really you. Once approved, the money should arrive almost instantly. A few quick tips. Always use a secure network when making transfers, be aware of any fees for international sends, and keep your app updated for the latest features. If something goes wrong, WeChat's 2025 support chatbots can help resolve issues in real time. There you have it. That's how to transfer money on WeChat in 2025. It's simple, secure, and super convenient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.